breakdown in GBP JPY. So GBP JPY has been melting since last week. So let's do a quick breakdown to see what's gonna happen the coming week. So from a monthly perspective, you're seeing GBP JPY since 2018 has been in this continuous downward trend. So you see price creating low highs, low high, low high, low, and currently you see price about respecting the 78.8 Fibonacci retracement level, and we see a big engulfing candle to the downside. So this monthly candle indicates this month we had a very bearish uh, GBP JPY move to the downside, so we have bearish volume in GBP JPY for the month. So it may indicate, and also price. This candlestick is below the EMA, indicating we could see a continuation to the downside. But we have almost like 5 days before this month finishes, so we could see a slight like sell-off. We could see like the sellers are cooling down, maybe consolidating for a while. So that's one thing. So I've seen huge bearish volume in the market based on the monthly. When you look at the weekly, you said, okay, the first week we had huge bearish volume in the market. Then we've seen these candlesticks are slowly becoming small and the volume decreasing. So also last week we see this candle. It's kind of like we had a big sell off to the downside. Price reacted and came to the upside. So we're seeing a lot of now buyers are trying to take control of the market here. And when you look at structure, price was creating high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, high highs, high low. And when you pull up your fibs, from this low to this high, you're seeing prices currently, not only is it respecting the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement based on this low to this high, we're seeing this support area based on the monthly. When you use the monthly time frame, you're seeing, okay, price is just respecting the support area here. So that's key. So we're seeing structure. Yeah, we were seeing sellers pressure is decreasing based on the weekly candlesticks. When you break down in the daily, you're saying this is we have a slight consolidation because of this 1 2 3 4 5 weeks price is just here. The other thing that's kind of skeptical is because we're saying EMA crossover to the downside, meaning price is also price last on Friday closed with a rejection in the EMA. So possibly what are we going to be looking for? So since we're seeing in the weekly that selling pressure is decreasing, and in the daily we're seeing we're kind of not like in an accumulation phase here, and price is not only respecting the 78.8 78.6 Fibonacci, it's also supporting this support area here, because look at this area. So we see rejection, price break to the upside, acted support. So price is coming here and also closed, rejected here, acted at support based on this uh, candlesticks here. Yeah, so when accumulation phase in the daily, then when you zoom in now in the 4-hour time frame, see, so the other thing a lot of people get confused is like, if you don't see clear structure, then just use the EMAs to indicate the direction of the trend. So we're seeing H4, we're seeing clear now EMA crossover to the upside. We're seeing now price. This structure here is based on the daily. Daily is saying you're in accumulation, and weekly is also saying, okay, sellers are now losing control. Buyers could start taking control. So we're seeing, okay, creation of high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, high low. Then you see when you draw a trend line here, you're seeing price respected here. These 2 points, price rejected here, and price closed. You see, like price closed this engulfing candlestick. So possibly we could see on Monday a continuation to the upside to this another liquidity level. We could see a slight pullback when it comes to this level here, this zone. We could buy to the upside. So I'm looking for uh, pound gaining strength next week, since in lower time frame you're seeing structures now kind of like we need to fast break out of this. You see, like this yellow zone, this is the daily accumulation phase. So we have to break out of this level to move to 136 zone. So I'll be looking for long opportunities uh, somewhere around here. Nice risk to reward. So my stop loss will be kind of there, about that. So nice setup. Wish you guys the best.